If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world.
I begin to
Good morning guys. Today is Sunday 21st, I think 21st of November. Let me start when I had something in my eye. And right now I know my client is pissed off wherever she is. Val, I'm sorry, I'm already late. It's like 10:59, 11, and I was supposed to go at 10 a.m. But first of all, after I texted her, I started doing my own thing. I even think I slept. So yeah, I'm going to do Val's hair today, and then that's the only thing I'm doing today. So welcome to a new vlog. Woo! Karibuni tena sana. As you can see, I'm feeling good. So yeah, welcome to this vlog. My hair, I want to remove this hair. My outfit of the day: sweatpants, and then this top, and my hair, and then slides. That's all. Pure. And then we go do that girl's hair. We're going to do twist braids. Why? Nimefika kwa Val. I'm not going to show you. Val! Kwa nini nisivlog nyumba yako? Why? And then you have a lot of potatoes. Where is it, waru, Val? Look at these potatoes. What the heck? Kwani anapikanga chipo? It's like she pikas chipo. Good morning guys. So today is Monday and it's around 8. Is it 8? Yeah, so it's 8 sharp. And today being a Monday, I have errands to run. Don't mind my stocking. This is, by the way, you guys, let me tell you, me, I feel comfortable tying a stocking than those, I don't know, bonnet things, man. I know they're classy and stuff, but Mimi, since high school, this is the most secure way to sleep. I just prefer this over everything else. So today being a Monday, I have errands to run. Number 1, I'm supposed to go to town. Yeah, everything I'm going to do in town. I'm going to fix my laptop, fix my ring light, because I have a video I need to shoot and my ring light is still not aiko poa. It has a problem. Then third, I'm going to the bank. And then fourth, I'm going to buy contact lenses. I feel like I need them. Yeah, so I have things to do and I have not started. I woke up at 6. I've been sitting down. First of all, we are going to make breakfast. Just like pancakes and chai, just normal things. And then I shower. Then I head out to town. So yeah. By the way, yesterday I did Val's hair. Came out so well, like you've seen. I'm a perfectionist. Like, I'm a perfectionist. When I'm doing someone's hair, I'm gonna do it exactly the way I'd like mine to be done. So I think that's why I retain my customers. So let's go to town, you guys. Before I get excited. And today, woo! I almost forgot. Today is my brother's birthday. Yes, today is Wambusha's birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday. I know you don't watch my vlogs. Kijana ako tu form 1, surely. Come on. He's turning, is it 15? Because I'm 8 years older. Chief, nadhani anaturn ngapi? Oh my god. That's our last one, baby. He's turning 15. Oh my gosh. Ilikuwa 15 2012 or 2013. I'm old because I'm 8 years older than that small boy. So yeah, so now the Wambushe, that's my small bro, my look-alike. We look like our dad, me and him, and then Caleb looks like my mom. So let me go to town, run errands. I know if I can buy my brother something for his birthday. Yeah, so bye. I'll see you after I'm dressed up, ready to head up. Bye. Guess the time. 12:30. Yani, sijui nimekuwa nikifanya nini, honestly. Tiff. What was I doing? TikTok, Reels, IG, checking. Unajua ate ako Dubai. Kwa tuna check stories for updates. So, it is now that we are going to town. I want to show you my outfit of the day. That's my outfit. I'm wearing flats, wrap skirt. I got this wrap skirt from Congo Wear. My usual bag. Why do I have such a big kitambi? And then this top. And that's me. Let me show you my luggage. The package. No, the nini I'm going to nini for my brother. This spot looks so good. For my brother, yeah. Allah, this is my brother's muzigo. It's just clothes. I just bought him clothes from our usual market, Congo Wear. So these ones are going to Nairobi today. One thing about me, I can never go to town without a queen. Do you know why? I can't make my own decisions. Okay, I can't, Steve. Come and say hi.
Hi.
You're going to, where are you going?
We're going to town. We have so many errands. So many errands.
Bye. Teaching you how to affirm, manifest. I attended.
Today is going to be a wonderful day. A very successful day. We are going to achieve everything we have set out to do today. Endelea.
We will go to town. I am a money magnet. I attract money. Money calls my name.
Money follows me.
That's my screen. The old one. Look at my baby. Lakini nimemiss. It's been in a coma. Shinjo.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world.
Hi guys, morning. It's around 11:30 and yesterday I went to town. I repaired my laptop. I also repaired my ring light, but my ring light, when I got home and I tried to connect it to my tripod, ikatokana tena. So I'm going back to the fundi, and this time I'm going with my tripod so that when he repairs, he connects it himself ndo isikuje itoke tena. And I have a video that I'm supposed to film today. Okay, I must do that video today because tomorrow I have a cut. Yeah, so I must do the video today. So yeah, I'm going to town. I'm not wearing anything exciting, so just sweatpants, a top, jewelry and gloss, my hair and some open shoes. Yeah, so nothing exciting. And then I'm planning to pass by Nawal Center. I buy a plant. Is it today? I think I'm going to make an effort and buy that plant today. You may postpone all my life. So first I'm going to get my ring light fixed, and then I go get the plant from Nawal Center. It's so hot, you guys. I hope I just get the energy because Mombasa is hot. What's going on? And it's not raining, and it's November 23rd. Like, anyways, let's go to town to run errands.
Find the one, you should never give her up. I I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. I should breathe slow, I should breathe slow, I should breathe slow. I should breathe slow, I should breathe slow, I should breathe slow. I should breathe slow, I should breathe slow, I
Kwa nini? Ni Ringlight. Za kumulika ukifanya video. Watu wa Instagram. Ni sisi.
Find the one you should never give
TikTok.
up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.
I hope people
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
Guys, this is the plant I have found. I don't know how it looks. How much? 950. I don't know how it looks because this is the only remaining color. This other color is not so bright. So if I don't find anything else, I'm going to take this one. June tadu. Taka ya kuhang. Hii ni supu, lakini ningetaka ya kuhang. Sizi pata. Na hiyo huwa umeniambia ni how much hiyo yenye naeka hapo ndani?
No, lile hatuwezi dua.
Amuzi hilo.
Santa ulitoa kwa pot. Sasa hiyo pot ni mpaka ijulikane pot gani hapo. Take time sana kutoa hiyo pot.
There are no plants. I'm waiting for the lift to come back. I'm waiting for the lift. I think people are going downstairs. But imagine I have not found a plant that I like. Not that I have not found a plant that I like, but I wanna plant basically. I wanna. To be frank, I have not seen any good plants there. I think the lift is There are no plants. I've not found any plants, you guys. I'll come back later. Yeah.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream